the North American LCS. We will see who makes it 2-0 to start the split. Alex standing still and Impact not able to get around to get any more battles, but he finally does! Lucian. We get back.
Good job.
Energy, 2-0 in the first week of the spring split.
I'm looking for Sandra. I'm here again.
Sandra. Prom. Keep going. Lucian.
Okay, get him. Go mid.
Dignitas takes down CLG.
Hands up, boys. Shake out, boys. Let's go. Shake it out.
We're doing Taylor Swift now. Shake it off.
Yeah.
Around the world, back around the world. I'm Dr. Levi, the fitness doctor. I'm Doctor Who. Where's my bow tie?
He loses even more ground in his own jungle. TSM have Team Liquid on the run.
Go. Third. Take off. Third. Go, chase.
The 1-1 in the first week of the spring split. TSM take down Team Liquid.
Kill Rek'Sai. Come to me, Sneaky. I'm punching him away.
There.
Yeah, we got one side. Okay, go. You need that one side. Okay.
I cannot do anything. That's okay.
It's okay, you distracted them. That's all that counts.
Pi is never going to get to retire.
Into the mid lane goes Wild Turtle. Gate to just die. Wild Turtle.
Alright, Bush.
Got him.
Nice.
Say not being able to surrender in a professional game of League of Legends. Oh, I have it. Po Belter basically one-shots Bebe. A perfect